Deep in the jungle, in the land of adventure, lives Tarzan.
I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant.
My name is Tarzan, I am Jungle Man.